Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookie-rookie.com, and today we're making the ultimate blender salsa. Now this is going to be tastier than any salsa you can get in a restaurant, and literally you're going to do zero work. The blender is going to do it all. We start with canned whole tomatoes, and they're peeled in the can. You don't have to do anything except drain some of the liquid out. We're going to put these in the blender. Okay. The next ingredient is cilantro, and it is my absolute favorite. I hope you add a lot of cilantro, but if you're not a fan, you could leave this part out. We are gonna chop it just a little bit, but it can be a really rough chop because, like I said, the blender is gonna do all the work. And then this goes directly in the blender just like the tomatoes. Next, we're gonna use juice from 1.5 limes. Lime juice can really take a recipe from good to great. It makes such a bright flavor. Next, we want to dice a jalapeno. I don't like things too spicy, but for this recipe, I do leave the seeds in because a little spice is a good thing. I hate chopping onions, so I love that this recipe, I don't have to get really precise with anything at all. For the garlic, we're just gonna use 1 clove, and all you have to do is peel it. And then just like the other ingredients, do a rough chop, but nothing precise. No mincing, nothing like that. And then our spices. We have cumin, salt, and sugar. That's it. That's all you need to make the best salsa. Now it's time for the blender to do its work. We'll just do a medium setting, pulse 1 to 2 times, and see where that brings us. You want to watch it so that you're not making it too liquidy. And I think this is actually perfect just like this. It smells amazing, and it's going to taste even better. Hop over to thecookie-rookie.com for the full recipe.